Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to transfer in Bitget. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the top right. Right next to the search icon, you can see the profile button right here. Click on it right now and these things will open up. Well, from here, as you can see, there are lots of options. But right now, what you guys need to do is simply focus on this button that says transfer. Click on it and then you will be redirected to the transfer page right here. In this section, all you guys have to do is select this from section and this to section. Well, there is the drop down. Click on it and select it right now. Similarly, select in the to section as well. I am doing it right now. Finally, once you have done that, select the coin that you want to transfer. Well, there are lots of them. Select whichever you wish. And finally, click on the amount that you wish to transfer. Simply enter it and hit on confirm. It might ask for your confirmation once again. Simply provide it and the amount will be transferred. That is it, guys. That's how we transfer in Bitget. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.